guys, welcome to AKS. Today in this video I am going to do a sound test and review of Sony D100 model. It's a 4.1 model. It's a 100 watt RMS. So guys, in the packet we are getting a remote control, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm wire, an adapter, and 4 speakers and a subwoofer. The subwoofer is of 8 inches of 44 watt RMS. The front panel is of ABS plastic type. There is a USB slot there. At the top of the subwoofer we are getting an on-off switch, an NFC tag to connect your NFC devices. This is the light indicator for DVD input. This is the TV. This is the USB. This is the Bluetooth. It starts blinking so that you can connect it with your Bluetooth devices. This is the function button. This is the previous. This is the play, pause, and this is next. The whole cabinet is made up of wood. And there is in the front there is a hole for the passing of the air. At the back we are getting the same thing as of D10. This is the 3.5mm input. This is the RCA input for your DVD players. This is the AC adapter, and at this side you are getting the output for the speakers. So guys, now about the speakers. This is a 3-inch speakers of 14 watt RMS. So the total output for the speakers is 56 watt RMS, and our subwoofer is 44 watt RMS. So the total output is 100 watt RMS. So guys, this home theater supports NFC, Bluetooth, USB, TV input, or you can say it as the auxiliary input or DVD input. So guys, now I'm going to connect it with my Bluetooth. Then I will play some songs, and then I will tell you about the song quality and the woofer and the speakers. So guys, the sound quality of this Sony SA-D100 is very good. The bass is also good. The voice clarity is very good. It's a good combination of treble and bass. Guys, this is my sound test on Sony SA-D100. If you guys have liked my video, you can like it, share it, or comment it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.